Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips number 00 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you are working in a clean, static-free environment to avoid damaging your laptop components. First, power off your Asus UX325E and disconnect it from any power source. Flip the laptop over and remove the 10 screws on the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to carefully pry open the back panel. Start at a corner and gently work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. If you encounter resistance, take your time and ensure you are not forcing it open. Now, take a moment to inspect the internals for any dust or debris. If you notice any buildup, use a can of compressed air to clean it out carefully. Next, locate the battery. It's usually secured with a few screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery connector from the motherboard. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components during this process. After that, lift the battery out of its compartment. If you find it challenging to remove, you can use the tweezers to help pull it free. Now, take your new battery and align it in the compartment. Connect the new battery to the motherboard and secure it with the screws you previously removed. If you don't have the tools or feel uncertain about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert help when needed. Now, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back panel back into position, ensuring all clips are properly aligned. Replace the 10 screws to secure the back panel, tightening them firmly but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Before powering on your laptop, ensure everything is in order. If you're unsure about your work, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, which makes the process easier for you. We ensure no calls and no travel hassle for your convenience. Once you are ready, flip the laptop back over, plug it in, and power it on. Check the battery status to confirm it is recognized and charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you have clarity on any potential costs. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the battery in your Asus UX325E. Regular maintenance, like battery replacement, is crucial for keeping your laptop in top shape. Thank you for following along in this tutorial. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.